Okay, so in this video we want to just create the simplest form of a program in C++ where you can add two numbers. Okay, let's get it started. So by writing hash include iostream, or just these first lines, let me just write it first. If you need an explained video, you can check the other video which I did create. So yeah, in that video I just explained everything about this program, about the whole thing which you are seeing me typing. So now we want to declare a integer data type of variable a, then another one will be variable b, and our result r. Now we want to ask the user to enter some information on the screen. So like enter first number, just like this, put our semicolon, cout, enter second number. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just creating some commands which the program is going to be using. These commands, this cout, I explained it in the previous video. It just tells the compiler to print out the following information: the result of, let me just say, the result, yeah, is okay. Now what we want to do, right? Then we're going to say print out R. So now these are the basic codes which we want to type. Now we want a user to insert a value of variable a and variable b. So a, when the compiler, when the command prompts the user to enter a single number, is going to capture the number and store it in a b. Now after storing it, you just have to calculate. So this is the main feature which we need in our program. R is equals to a plus b, just like that. Then let's put next line, end line. That means it's going to skip a line, then it's going to print the result. Everything explained in the video which will pop up. I hope it will be beneficial for you. So now we have to compile and run this one. Let's just say simple addition program, just like that, and we save. Then we wait for the program to just check if there are errors, and voila. So now enter the first number. Our first number is 5. Our second number is, let me say, 9. Then as you can see, it did an addition of 9 and 5, and the result is there on the screen. So I hope this quick tutorial was beneficial for you, and if you need any other video tutorial or guide in C++, just make sure you comment in the description below. Thank you. See you in the next video.